on! Hello my friend, it's me, 재미난제임스! Yoo-hoo! You know, the brand new weekend always make me feel excited and happy. You should be same, right? Okay. So, the life is fun and cool. Smile that everybody smile with you. Cry that you will cry lonely. Okay, let's smile. Woohoo! Today, actually, I'm gonna cook one of the typical and the most favorite Korean street food. Every single Korean people likes this food, which is Ttoek-Bok-Ki. You know, Tteok-Bok-Ki is made with the rice cake or wheat cake as the main ingredient, and it's stir fried with a lot of vegetables and sometimes fish cake and some the others. We start enjoy the red pepper paste sauce Tteok-Bok-Ki from 1950s. It was started in Sindang-dong, Seoul. This is really good street food and everybody love it. Okay, let's enjoy together. Come on! Shoo! Shoo! Okay, we just right time to eat this Tteok-Bok-Ki. So this is my nephew 1, nephew 2.
Hello.
Okay. Okay, let's enjoy together. Come on. 자, 먹어보자. Okay. I take 2.
맛있다.
The taste is a little bit spicy and sweet. So very nice combination.
그리고 한 바가지인데? 한 바가지요.
Let's cheers!
Cheers! 아, 끝내주는구만. 리필. 딱딱하지 않아요. 숙식하네.
You know, as always, after this show, we will share this food with my family. So don't worry, we can clean it up. 자, second cheers!
Cheers!
Wow, this is really delicious. 어때? 맛이 어때?
아, 너무 맛있습니다. 먹어본 떡볶이 중에 제일 맛있습니다.
Okay, so it was very nice. We really enjoy this food. Let's say goodbye and we'll come back next weekend. Say goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.